Everyone, Dr. Nathan Bryan here. I would argue that sleep is probably the most important thing that's going to affect your life, your quality of life, and your health. Without adequate sleep, I don't care what you're doing, nothing else is going to matter. And when we look at sleep and what happens during sleep, sleep is a time where we hopefully have parasympathetic activation, downregulation of our sympathetic fight or flight type autonomic nervous system. Because it's during rest that we repair. It's during sleep that we allow our body to re-energize, to clean up the cellular debris and start to initiate things like autophagy and start to mobilize cells to repair and replace dysfunctional cells and repair from the works of the day or the damage or the injuries we had during the day. But none of this happens if we don't get adequate sleep. That's why it's so important to be deliberate, set up a routine, a habit of sleep. Because when we sleep, and again, there's multiple components here. We need to get into deep sleep, REM sleep. We need to fully oxygenate. We need to make nitric oxide during sleep because it's nitric oxide that tells our stem cells to mobilize and differentiate. But if we're mouth breathing, we're bypassing this nitric oxide production through the nasal epithelium. We're changing the ecology of the oral microbiome, further suppressing nitric oxide production. We become hypoxic, anoxic. People have obstructive sleep apnea, which means they're not fully oxygenating, so they're not making nitric oxide, they're not repairing. That's the reason they wake up tired, fatigued. And when you do this over and over again, your body wears out, you're susceptible to disease, you're susceptible to infection, and it's just a horrible quality of life. So I'll tell you what's changed my life is turn off all the lights or wear the blue blocker glasses at night when the sun goes down. Stay off your device, stay off TV. If you're going to do these devices or TV, at least wear the blue blocker glasses. Turn your AC down, make it cooler in your room. And then for me, I wear eye masks because I don't have shades or curtains in any windows in my house. But also be diligent and develop a habit. I try to go to bed at the same time no matter where I am in the world. I need at least 7 or 8 hours of sleep a night for me to function, be fully functional, and feel my best. But there's no important thing you can do that'll maximize your sleep. So make this a priority because without adequate sleep, nothing else matters.